underrated. Starting at forward, 5'11", number 4, Mark Mejia. Ang ganda ng buwan! At 5'6", guard, number 77, RJ Lazarita. And forward, from Manila, Ruben Guilla. Starting at forward, number 24, Ben Beneflor. And from Guagua, Pampanga, guard, number 7, and here's your underrated. Adel lang po, Adel. Both teams sa gitna, both teams.